Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the Baleno to ACC or on so the infotainment system is active. This lets the head unit broadcast its Bluetooth signal. Next, make your phone discoverable and open the Bluetooth settings. This is how devices find each other. Once done, access the car's media or phone menu and choose Pair New Device. You do this now because the vehicle must be actively scanning when the phone searches. Keep the manual PIN handy in case the system requests it. You will see the Baleno's Bluetooth name on your phone. Tap it to initiate pairing so both devices exchange identities. After selecting, check the numeric PIN shown on your phone and the car display. Confirm they match to prevent unauthorized connections. Then accept pairing on both ends. This establishes the secure link. Finally, allow required permissions for contacts and media so hands-free calling and audio streaming work. Granting these now prevents functionality issues later. You finish by setting your phone as the primary or preferred device in the Baleno if you want automatic reconnection. This saves time in future drives. Then validate the link by making a quick call and playing music to confirm audio routing and microphone function. This verifies both phone and head unit settings. If pairing fails, delete old pairings on both devices, reboot the phone and car stereo, and retry. This clears cached conflicts and usually resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.